Hi everyone! Ever face that annoying VS Code error where your Solidity code compiles perfectly, your tests pass, and your dApp runs, but VS Code still screams about an import not found? You know, the red squiggly line under Forgestd/Test.sol even though it clearly works? It's a common and frustrating issue. Today, we're going to dive into why this happens and how to fix it, making your development environment smooth again. The problem is quite specific. You're importing a file like Forgestd/Test.sol. Your Foundry project, or Hardhat, builds without any complaints. Yet, VS Code throws an error. It marks the import path as unresolved. This isn't a compilation error. It's a tooling error. It affects your linting. It messes with auto-completion. It makes your otherwise perfect code look broken. This happens because VSCode's Solidity extension, often the one-by-one Blanco, doesn't understand your project's specific setup by default. It needs a little help. Your build tools, like Foundry, have their own ways of resolving import paths and remappings. VS Code doesn't automatically sync with these. It doesn't know about your remappings.txt or your foundry.toml configurations. So, when you write import Forgestd/Test.sol, the extension looks in its default locations. It doesn't find a folder named Forgestd there. Hence, the error. Let's fix it. The primary solution involves configuring your VS Code settings, specifically for the Solidity extension. First, open your VS Code settings. You can do this by going to File Preferences Settings or pressing Ctrl+, Search for Solidity. You'll find various settings related to the extension. The most critical setting for this issue is solidity.default or solidity.remappings. If you're using Foundry, you likely have custom remappings. For example, at openzeppelin/lib/openzeppelin-contracts/. You need to tell VS Code about these. In your settings.json, preferably in your workspaces, .vscode/settings.json, you'll want to add a block like this: solidity.default remappings, at openzeppelin/lib/openzeppelin-contracts/ Forgestd/=src/Forgestd/. This tells the extension how to resolve paths. Adjust Forgestd/=src/Forgestd/ to match where your Forgestd directory actually lives relative to your project root. If Forgestd is just a subfolder of your src directory, then ensuring src is correctly identified as your source root might be enough. Sometimes, the extension struggles to find your project root. You might need to explicitly set solidity.project_relative-path or solidity.default-project to the path of your project's main directory. For instance, if your foundry.toml is in myproject/, then solidity.project_relative-path, / might be needed. After making any changes to your settings.json, always reload your VS Code window. You can do this by opening the command palette, Ctrl+Shift+P or CMD+Shift+P and typing reload window. This ensures the new settings are applied. Also, make sure your Solidity extension is updated to its latest version. Developers often push fixes for these kinds of path resolution issues. Double-check your workspace setup too. If you have multiple folders open, ensure the correct one is active. With these configurations, your VS Code should now correctly resolve your Forgestd/Test.sol import, making that annoying red squiggly line disappear. Thank you so much for watching and sticking around to solve this common VS Code annoyance. I hope this script helps you clean up your Solidity development environment. If it did, please consider giving this video a like and subscribing to the channel for more tips and tutorials on Web3 development.